Foam rolling the lats. To target the latissimus dorsi, you want to extend your arm up overhead. Put the foam roller in your armpit. Place your foot on the ground so you can push into the ground and lift the hips. That's going to intensify, increasing more pressure on the lats. Rotate forward and back, looking for tender spots throughout the muscle. Once you find it, hold, take 4-second breaths, deep, relaxing breaths. In about 30 seconds, that area should release. And then you can roll down the lat a little bit further, looking for another tender area. This is another technique that might stress out your neck, so you can take your top arm and just cradle your head, which will allow your neck to relax.